You can either learn from your failures or you can learn not to fail. Honestly, had I not learned that in grad school, I probably would have made it through without using this learning assessment that's playing above my head that taught me how I learn and how I retain information. I'm TJ Riggs. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a pre-college consultant as well as an academic advisor for the School of Business grad school in St. Louis. This year, we're starting the Destined Be Great Challenge. That means 8 people will be selected, and those 8 people will be selected to go to a Indiana Pacers game for free, where food, drink, and a ride will be provided if you do not have one. But the 8 people will have to apply online or use the QR code that will be in the flyer that's attached to this video. Each month, the 8 participants selected will have to turn in 1, the grade report, 2, the class participation with their emails that the teachers provided, as well as participate in 1 holistic development activity that we will provide. Those holistic development activities will include 1, our guest speaker series that will have a psychologist, so have a member of LA Clippers, as well as entrepreneurs joining us. In addition to, you can volunteer at your school or you can volunteer within your community to earn points. In addition to earning assets, we want to make sure that everyone also explores new careers, that they're diving into how they really learn and how they retain information. We will also break down financial literacy and truly just having fun, bringing a fun environment to learning and what it really means to learn, because school is not the only place that you can learn. The world is full of information. We just hope that we can expose you to that and expose you to careers that help you be successful long term and feel holistic and feel that you're getting everything you want out of the career that you're working towards. If you have questions, concerns, please let me know. You can follow me on Instagram or you can even email me. My Instagram is Riggs HD Pros Inc. Incorporated. So please follow me. Check out what we've done up to this point. Like I mentioned, you have questions, concerns, application will be online. Hope that we can help you be successful or help someone that you know be even more successful and be a better version of themselves.